Are you tired of drowning in tasks every single day? What if I told you I automated 80% of my workflow using just a few free AI tools, and you can too? Let's break down exactly how I did it, step by step. Automate. Optimize. Breathe easier. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact AI tools I used to streamline content creation, emails, scheduling, and even video editing, so you can stop grinding and start scaling. Stick around to the end for a free download, my personal AI automation cheat sheet. It all starts with ideas. I used ChatGPT to brainstorm video topics, titles, outlines, even scripts. Prompted right, and it feels like having a personal strategist, 24/7. Ask for 10 title variations in trending format, it saves hours instantly. Next, content writing. Notion AI helped me draft emails, blog posts, and captions inside my notes. Copy.ai took it further with marketing copy for social media. What used to take 3 hours now takes 20 minutes. Your time is gold. I connected Reclaim.ai to my Google Calendar, it automatically blocks time for tasks, reschedules when I'm behind, and keeps my day sane. No more decision fatigue. Just focus. Here's the fun part. I use Pictory.ai to turn scripts into professional videos in minutes, voiceover, visuals, everything. The script helps me edit like a doc, remove ums, change scenes, and create shorts in one click. AI does the heavy lifting. I just hit publish. Outreach doesn't have to be a pain. I draft emails with ChatGPT, and schedule sequences in MailChimp. Welcome series, reminders, call to action emails, all automated. And open rates higher than ever. I create AI enhanced designs with Canva, then schedule weeks of posts with Buffer. Hashtags, captions, trending audio, all assisted by AI while I sleep. Automate more. Stress less. From idea to execution, my entire workflow is now 80% automated with AI. And the results? More content. More time. More peace of mind. You don't need a team, just the right tools. Download the free AI workflow cheat sheet, link in the description. If you want to steal my exact setup, grab the free AI workflow cheat sheet, every tool, link, and tip to help you get started fast. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, we've got powerful AI tips coming every week here on BoostMind AI.